Okay, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a time you got lost in a place you didn't know about. So, over to you.
Thank you. Well, it was a time when me and my friend was decided to go for to visit Androon Lahore, and we always heard about Androon Lahore that Androon Lahore has many historical places and delicious food stall, local food stalls, and me and my friend, always wanted to go for to have some delicious food over there. And most importantly, we were in college, and it is also very pocket friendly food over here. So we decided to go on bike, and while going on bike, we were lost somewhere, because there are so many bridges and long buildings, and we were not found, especially the chike ke chane, because we heard about the chike ke chane, that they have delicious food over there. So when after finding the that particular shop, we were know about that the all food was finished. So we decided to go somewhere else. So some other person told us that there are also very famous a dish called Vakas biryani near to that place. So we decided to go there, and we found very well. We found that place timely, and go for and ordered our for.
Okay, thank you. You spoke for 1 minute 36 seconds. Overall, it is good, but you should focus mainly on the experience of being lost. Like you were lost. So you should have mentioned that we didn't know where to go. Then one of my friends turned on Google Map. It did not even guide us. Then we asked somebody, he didn't know about that. So wholly experience should be about getting lost, not about the place, description of place and description of another restaurant. It should be mainly, I mean, you should focus, the whole story should revolve around the experience of getting lost, right? That is important. And then there was some grammatical mistakes like present past mix, and don't use Androon Lahore, we call it walled city
Walled
or
city.
old city.
Old city. Okay.
Both ways it's going to be fine. Now let's move on, speaking part 3. Do you often get lost?
Well, most oftenly I got lost because I do not know.
Most oftenly, oftenly is not the right word. Most often or quite often I get lost.
Okay. Most often I get lost because I cannot remember the ways and particular ways to go where I want to go. So I always make some signs used to think. I always make to remember the signs where I want to go uh, when I when I was traveling, because I usually travel via car. So while driving, I do not prefer to use mobile phones to
Now
use
you're
Google
going
Map.
away from the topic. The topic is, do you often get lost? So listen, what you do, you start from the right part, then you go on, and then on, and then on, and then you are away from the main topic. So what you should do, after a couple of sentences, come back to the main question. Then again, 2 to 3 sentences, come back to the main question, and you must conclude with the main question, so that you link all your ideas at the end with the main question. That's important in your case. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.